Do you keep drawing characters and leaving them on a plain color block because you're too afraid to tackle backgrounds? Well, it's time to change that, because in this advanced Procreate class, I'll guide you on how to create cozy backgrounds that will take your drawings to the next level. And for those who don't know me, I'm Simon. I'm an illustrator, content creator, and top teacher here on Skillshare. And I also love drawing cozy animation on Procreate and Procreate Dreams, and I'm here to help you elevate your work. Remember that creating a cozy and inviting drawing, well, it's not just about your drawing, it's about using the right tools and techniques to set up the perfect mood. And you'll learn how to choose the right color palette, master perspective, and explore different rendering techniques such as gradient maps, blending modes, and bloom effects. It's easier than you think because I'll guide you through my personal drawing process from finding inspiration to creating a fully color scene from the coziness of your bedroom with a character. And here's the bonus. You'll also get access to a nearly 100-page PDF that summarizes the entire class and include call to action exercise sheets for your project. Plus, you'll get my Procreate file that you can download and work from so you can better understand how I layered my different drawings. This class is perfect for you, Procreate artists who want to explore advanced techniques, and by the end of this class, you'll have the skills and confidence to create professional quality illustration and tell a richer visual story with more context. And if you're ready to elevate your drawing skill to the next level, well, click on the link to redeem a 30-day free trial on Skillshare and gain access to not only this class, but also the other fantastic creative classes on the platform. Check it out!